Hello to all my gardening friends. Jeff here, and I have found my happy place. I'm here in Mary Jean and John's garden, surrounded by colorful, fragrant flowers. Now, this garden features not only a wide variety of flowers lovingly grown from seed, but also an eclectic collection of colorful garden art. Mary Jean and John's garden was featured on the West Seattle Garden Tour in 2005. And since then, she has cultivated this gorgeous all-season garden in every sense of the word. The main part of the garden is flanked by 2 mammoth white hydrangeas and filled to the brim with flowers of all kinds, forming a real kaleidoscope of color. Mary Jean has put together an exquisite botanical cutting garden, and she utilizes the flowers she grows in bouquets. Hand-grown flower arrangements like this make tasteful decorations and superb gifts for family and friends. Now, art in the garden adds interest and excitement. Mary Jean has a lovely collection of colorful art, much of it glass, that complements her flower beds. Everything from the mosaic stepping stones to the thoughtfully placed globe art brings vibrancy to the garden. Many of these pieces she has made herself, like this mosaic table, which is something of a centerpiece for the garden. It immediately lures you into a lovely, entertaining space. Here's something else that caught my eye. Baby tears growing alongside these handmade stepping stones make a fantastic ground cover for the shaded part of the garden. And the adjacent light-textured ferns and the variegated hosta give this area some height and contrast in texture. This ligularia, creeping Jenny, softens the steps here, giving the hardscape a sense of age and character. This, along with the heliotrope and the sweet peas here in the flower bed, really carries me back in time to my mother's garden. And this is what it's all about. Mary Jean's garden plays to your sentimentality. When you're putting together your own garden, I encourage you not to miss out on bringing in plants that are meaningful to you and carry you back to those precious moments of times gone by. As gardeners, it's one thing to enjoy the plants themselves, but to make a garden your own, you need a sense of connection. What's your relationship to the garden? Is it where you spent time with your mother, a grandparent, your favorite aunt, the neighbor down the street? To whom are you going to give that bouquet you've put together? Maybe I'm just a sentimental type, but these are the kinds of things that come to mind for me. A garden like this causes you to reflect on what really brings you joy. Filling a garden with sentimental fragrance and joyful art creates an attractive and romantic space for you to relax, refresh, and contemplate. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me in this lovely garden today. What kinds of joyful additions can you make in your own space to bring out a sense of sentimentality and connection? And before you go, if you have any fond memories of gardening, I would love to hear them. Until next time, thanks so much.